Totoo lang guys, sobrang pagod ako ngayon kasi namalengke ako. Nagluluto ako as of the moment. Kaya don't judge me kung ang itsura ko medyo kulang sa ganda. What? Hi guys! I'm back with a new video. Okay, today's video is going to be a mukbang video of minute burgers, chili con carne, cheese franks. So, if you guys are interested to know what I think about this and if it's worth your money and and also other things in minute burger that you really need to check out on, keep on watching. Okay. Totoo lang guys, galing akong palengke at nabili ko to sa palengke. This is the chili con carne cheese franks or yeah, cheesy franks. And this is retailed at about 65 pag walang drinks, 82 ata 85 with drinks. So I got it with drinks, pero isang drink lang siya. And oh my god, I never thought minute burger would be improving his game. Okay, this is what the cheesy franks look like. So totoo lang, first time ko talaga siyang itry. So totoo lang. Tapos, ang napansin ko, ang bago ngayon sa minute burger, they're using brioche buns, which is kind of fancy. A fancy kind of bread. Which is actually good kasi may sariling tamis yung brioche bread na kakaiba. So, if you can see, it really has carne, chili con carne, and then the frank, medyo overcooked yung hotdog, pero okay lang. And then cheese sauce. And hindi siya katulad nung iba na, shall we say, puro tilapay. Hindi siya footlong, okay? Pero it's more than enough for me. Okay, so let's take the first bite. Minute burger. Mapapagastos ako sa inyo. Tell you what, yung meat dito sa hotdog, saka dun sa carne, they don't fight. Hindi sila nag-aaway. Hindi nag-aaway yung lasa. And the coolest thing is, kung ano yung overcooked nung frank, siya namang juicy nung meat. So, they work together. Tapos yung cheese sauce, wait lang. Very mild. Para sa akin. Kasi ako, I've had, different cheese sauces before. And, yung mildness nito, talagang parang tipong tinunaw lang siya na cheese whiz. Pero masarap siya. Okay, no doubt. Mararamdaman mo lang yung pagka-chili, yung chili con carne. Konting-konti lang. So, kung medyo, yung spiciness tolerance mo, medyo mababa, makakayanan mo to. Hindi siya yung, hindi siya ganon. Hindi siya yung mapapahinga ka ng malalim. Sobrang sarap, guys. Sa totoo lang. Okay. Now, let's go to the juice. They actually have two kinds of juices sa minute burger, which is the calamanti and then fruity twist. Fruity twist lang yung nakuha ko today. Mind you, i-request nyo na madaming yelo yung isa-serve sa inyo kasi sobrang tamis nito. Oh my god. Sobrang tamis nung fruit twist. Fruity twist. Fruit twist. And you can buy it separately. Separately, it's 19 pesos. Yan. I-request nyo talaga damihan yung yelo sa fruit twist. Sa calamanti, sakto lang. Alam mo yun, andun yung, may calamansi flavor. It's parang iced tea calamansi flavor. Masarap. Tsaka, ang maganda sa juices ni Minute Burger, na natatanggal niya yung umay factor nung food. Kasi medyo oily to. Kasi nga may brioche bun. So, na-absorb nung bun yung oils. Wow, science. So, alam mo yun, medyo oily yung food. So, when you drink with the juice, sobrang amazing. Ako talaga, nung na-try ko yung juice nila, sabi ko, okay lang. When I tried it with their food, wow. Kasi ako mo-order na ako sa Minute Burger. Pero ang ino-order ko lang dun is yung cheeseburger lang nila. Which is also good. I'll feature it next time. Like a full menu mukbang ng Minute Burger. If you guys are interested for that, make sure to hit the like button and comment kung gusto nyong makakita ng full menu mukbang ng Minute Burger. Honestly, guys, I really like this. And I'm surprised. Kasi dati, Minute Burger, hindi naman talaga napapansin. But they're stepping up their game with their choices of food. Like, their menu is super different from before. Hindi siya yung typical na buy one, take one burger. Kasi you really get the best out of what you paid for. Price-wise, they're within, parang price range na kaya naman ng mga estudyante and everyone else. Kasi parang mga ganito nila, mga 65, 45, pero worth it. Okay? Huwag kayong babasa doon sa 49 pesos na buy one take one nga. Hindi naman kayo, hindi naman kayo nabusog. Ito, mabubusog talaga kayo. Like ako, ito, isa pa lang, feeling ko busog na ako. So, I really would like to recommend Minute Burger. I will try everything in their menu next. And with that being said, guys, I have to go. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys have any questions, suggestions, or if you guys want to, let me do the whole Minute Burger menu mukbang, make sure to hit the comment section. Click the like button, subscribe, and click the notification bell. And of course, follow me on my social networking accounts listed on the description box. And I'll talk to you guys soon, okay? Bye!